We're Imperial Design. Have you ever stopped to think about the water that you consume every day, one that's on your table right now? We use it for everything. We use it to cook, we use it to brush our teeth, we even use it to take care of our lawn. And yet, how often do you really stop and think about the quality of this product? For that, how often, it's always clean, it's always safe, and it's always easily accessible. That's not the case in the vast majority of the world. Some people don't have access to the basic infrastructure that we take for granted every day. And for that reason, they're seeing their lives drastically shortened by it. We believe that we can make a change in these people's lives, and that's what the presentation is going to be. We all know that water is a problem. Did you know that 80% of the illnesses in the developing world directly related to poor water sanitation? And that 1 in 2, that's half of all the hospital beds in the world are currently filled by somebody suffering from a water-related disease. Not only that, the 780 million people are dying from this, or lack access on a daily basis.
In addition, 3.4 million people die every single year due to this cause alone. That's the equivalent of the entire population of Los Angeles dying every single year from this problem that we can easily solve. During our research, we found these two maps published by the World Health Organization, which show a direct correlation between water quality and life expectancy. It can be seen in areas like sub-Saharan Africa, which have low water quality, that life expectancy is greatly diminished. One area that has overcome this challenge, however, is Australia. Although Australia has low water quality, due to their water sanitation facilities, they have achieved a high life expectancy. We at Pure Designs have developed a remarkably simple, affordable water filter to combat this problem. Our filter focuses on the individual household water consumption needs. Our filter requires no outside energy other than that of the sun and gravity, making it electrically independent. Our system is also non-mechanical with no moving parts, making it easy for the end user to both build and maintain, with parts found in-country should something break down the road. Our system is also scalable to meet user needs, unlike many current solutions. Also, many current solutions don't take out everything. Many current solutions that are being used in third world, such as sand filtration, leave chemicals in the water, which are still poisoning the members of the community.
Another really great point about our system is that we're targeting a niche market. During our research, we found out that the market is currently saturated at 2 different points. The individual solutions, such as LifeStraw, I'm sure you've heard of it, and also community-wide solutions. We're targeting the niche market of individual households. And for that reason, we've already reached out to certain communities. We've talked to a Native American tribe in Arizona that happens to have the lowest purchasing power in the country. We've also talked to relief agencies in Haiti, and we've also talked to this lady right over here, which is my aunt. This is the village that she lives. This is her water source. And as you can see, it's not very clean. Every single household in this village needs an individual water solution for their house. And they have to spend thousands of dollars every year pumping that water, using expensive chemicals. And it's just a reoccurring cycle every single year in order to get that clean water. When I talked to her, she seemed really interested in it, and I feel like if we can get into a rural area like this, there's so much opportunity to grow. Another really good thing about Brazil is it has the most amount of water per capita in the world, but they don't have the systems to treat that water. So if we provide an individual household solution, we can make so much money off of that. In order to get to that, we are requesting $5,000. That would cover the cost of the initial prototype, as well as testing the water that might come of it, and any other cost occurred during that process. Spencer's mom works for United, so he'd be able to travel for free. I generally go there on vacation, so my parents would cover the cost of the travel. We've included this here just in case, but we honestly feel like traveling to Brazil will be something that we take care of on our own. Additionally, we've reached out to the Civil Environmental Engineering Department as well as the Mechanical Engineering Department to come on board as technical advisors. And as you can see, we've also built and tested 2 of the key components in our prototype, and we've proven that they work. With your help, we can move that much closer to building the prototype and eventual deployment. Thank you, and let's make a difference.